Okay, so when you get your Nutribullet, all right, basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. That's it. And the way it works is this thing here, you've got to attach to this. Once you've filled this with whatever you're going to make, right? So the way it goes, it just kind of goes on here like this. You spin it, right? And it's got a little caution thing. It's got sharp blades in there. And that's basically it. And then on here, you're going to see, all right, so if you look on here, you're going to see these little indentations. And they go in here and they hook on there. So when you set it in, look, it sets like that. When you set this in there, you're going to see there's 1, 2, and there's 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. You can see it here, look, kind of pushes down. So when you set it in there, you got to give it a little bit of a push, and then you twist it clockwise. So you're going to twist it clockwise. So you see how it's going down? So when I push on it, watch, you'll see this drop. You see that? When it drops, then I turn it clockwise, and it locks it in. Here, I'll give you 2 of them to look at. This one and this one, right? Watch. Down, turn. When you do that, this thing automatically turns on. You follow me? And then you can make your drink. If you're done, you pop it off, and you would flip it over this way, and then you would unscrew it, right? And then, of course, you got to rinse that. And then this is your top for your glass. This is really basically a glass, right? So then you can just go like this, and bam, you're off to work. This keeps it from, from leaking. When you want to drink it, you pop it, and then just drink it. That's basically how this thing works. It's pretty simple, really. And, that's the best way to have something. Keep it simple, silly. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this thing and make drinks.